Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Siti Nur Aisyah binti Muhammad Badri and my metric number is 265015. So today I will summarize a case number 1, a case of Vodafone Egypt. Vodafone Egypt is a company that constantly and actively run the operation since the establishment in 1988, and in 2012 the Vodafone Egypt had been ranked as the first mobile provider in Egypt. Osama Ahmed, the IT manager, had acknowledged the importance of ICT in order to support the organization business goal and objective. During that time, the migration from Oracle to SAP helped to align the Vodafone Egypt with the international Vodafone. It increased many benefits and give effective control in the operational process and better workflow of purchase order (POs). Vodafone Egypt had the difficulty to maintain their position in the market as there are two more huge competitors of mobile operator named Mobinil and Etisalat. So the customer had high expectation to Vodafone Egypt. It gives more pressure on Vodafone Egypt when there are the fourth mobile operator that will be launched, named Egyptian Telecom Company (ETC). So what the company will do to keep their position in the market? Vodafone is the number one network in Egypt that offer mobile service, solution and product. The headquarters is in London, United Kingdom. In 1998, Vodafone Egypt started to give the service of technological solution for business and consumer. So, the Vodafone Egypt has focused on customer-driven strategy in order to success by understanding what the customer need and how to satisfy them. They also adopt the latest information technology tool in different operation. And amazingly, in April 2015, there are 96 million subscribers representing around 110% penetration, and it record highest market share at 41.5%, followed by Mobinil and Etisalat. Its ideology is adapting continuous change and always be the leader in the market, with the motto, progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their mind cannot change anything. And it also implement professional work environment where it develop and enhance Vodafone Egypt voice, data, transport and fixed network. Vodafone Egypt plan to reach 99% of Egypt coverage, and at that time, Vodafone Egypt had reached 6,500 employees that work in the Vodafone Egypt with different activities. There are several types of service that had been offered by Vodafone Egypt, such as voice, message, data, fixed line, and so on. It has received a very big positive feedback from the customer by getting more than 390 million customers, more than 292 billions of text, picture, music and video in 2011, and more than 75 million purchaser of data in order to access the internet and other application. And in 31st March 2011, Vodafone Egypt had changed their organizational structure in order to deliver the company's strategic goal, usually offer and promote the teamwork. And positively, in the end of December 2011, in Egypt, the customer had reached 36.3 million and the market share of 43.4%. Next is the technology description. Technology used by the Vodafone Egypt to ensure the software efficient and up-to-date is networking and billing. Networking will help an individual to check the coverage data and its quality, such as 2G, 3G, and 3.5G. And for billing, there are 6 main software applications, which is Ericsson, S-Bill, Business Intelligence System, Post of Sale System, internal system and external system. So we can see Vodafone Egypt using the technology in expert way but there are some challenges that had been faced by Vodafone Egypt, such as first, they are unable to track all unlicensed dealer and unregistered customer. It also prevents the Vodafone Egypt to control the quality service, to make a full insight of the customer behavior and the sender activity. Second is smoothing and sharing of the information between the department is inefficient, that bring to the delay and unnecessary effort from the employee. And lastly, all of that will lead to some case, which is the duplication and the missing of data transfer through the direct transformation process. So before this, I have tell all of you that Vodafone Egypt had migrated from Oracle to SAP and ERP, and it has received various type of benefits. It's also had introduced a project named Evo ERP project, which is Evolution ERP project. It is the largest ever business transformation that combines three departments, which is HR, finance, and supply chain. And it gives a various benefits, such as it enables the Vodafone to operate using a global basis with their common system and process, and it helped to reduce the transaction cost, increase the efficiency of office, and so on. The supply chain also become more efficient, and the employee tasks will change gradually with higher value added. It means before this they do the task manually, but now the task had been implemented using the automated system. And lastly, the system connect the Vodafone to Vodafone headquarters, and it allow the manager to watch the operation, the boundaries, and eliminate the barriers. So thank you. That's all from me.